Planning to build a mobile app in 2025? Great! But before you dive in, let's talk about the top mobile app development mistakes to avoid, so you can save both time and money. Mistake number 1, skipping market research. Don't assume users will love your idea. Without solid research, your app might solve a problem no one actually has. Validate your concept first. Mistake number 2, ignoring platform-specific design. iOS and Android have different user behaviors and design guidelines. Building a one-size-fits-all UI can frustrate users and hurt engagement. Mistake number 3, overloading with features. Trying to pack too much into version 1 can lead to delays and bugs. Focus on a minimum viable product, MVP, with core functionality first. Mistake number 4, poor app performance. Slow loading, laggy interfaces, or frequent crashes are instant deal breakers. Invest in performance optimization and real device testing. Mistake number 5, not planning for scalability. As your user base grows, so will the demands on your infrastructure. Build with future growth in mind from the start. Mistake number 6, no clear monetization strategy. Whether it's subscriptions, ads, or in-app purchases, plan your revenue model early. Don't leave it for post-launch. Mistake number 7, choosing the wrong development partner. Your app's success heavily depends on your team's expertise. That's why businesses worldwide choose TechGropse, a leading mobile app development company that helps you avoid costly mistakes and deliver high-performance apps. Whether you're a startup or an enterprise, we turn ideas into apps that scale. Visit techgropse.com to get started and build smarter in 2025.